Let's start designing YouTube thumbnail. Add City Destruction background adjust with Ctrl+T for transform. Add hue and saturation and drag it to dark side and clip with background. Add image of breaking glass and put dot blend mood to screen with low opacity. Add another image of particles and put dot blend mood to screen with low opacity. Bring object in PNG, flip the object, dot add hue and saturation and adjust the values. Clip with Alt plus left click hue and saturation to object layer. Take new layer and add black transparent gradient with low opacity. Add text with font Franklin bold. After writing all text, transform it with Ctrl+T. Now double-click text layer and add text dot effect to a gradient, inner shadow, drop shadow. Copy text with effect and change it, then adjust it. Add inner shadow to white text and also add drop shadow. After text effect, align all text and convert it to smart object. Now with perspective tool, change it angle and view. Now press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt to make into one layer, copy and convert to smart object. Now add camera raw filter from filters bar. Thank you for watching.